Hi, today we are going to be folding boys' tank tops, muscle shirts, sleeveless shirts, so that you can see the graphic using Marie Kondo's KonMari method, also known as file folding. So you can see the front print and easily find what you are looking for in a hurry. This one says 6 and this one says 10 to 12. The only difference might be that we add an extra fold for the longer one. Always have the front facing down so you can see the print once it's folded. So I'm going to fold it in line with this shoulder. And I mean, doesn't matter if it's perfectly even. The smoothing gets rid of a lot of the wrinkles. And yes, as you can see, it kind of does flare a little bit. This is option 1. We want, since this has the most awkward material, and we don't want to have this be in a weird fold space, fold it here once, and then twice, and then here once, leaving some space here though, so that when you fold it, the last fold, it has space for them to sit side by side instead of this material pulling it too tight. And then it stands up on its own nice and easily. If you wanted it to be even smaller, or you had an extra wide, you could do an extra fold here, space. And then again, wherever those seams might be, so that we get this to stay flat, so when they wear it, it looks normal. And it doesn't matter if you do this fold twice or that one first and then back to this one, as long as you leave some space for it to so then the other one, which is a bit taller. Now this one here has more shoulder, less tank top style, more muscle shirt style. So we're not, doing this tiny little fold here is not going to make sense. So we would just fold it in line with the neckline in a way that doesn't make it stand out or fold over and create an awkward neckline. And then this one here, the same thing. Right to it, but not past it, the neckline. And then you could do this part here first, once, twice, over top of each other. It's okay. It's not going to make a big deal. It'll be a problem as long as you make sure you don't have them fold up and roll up there. And don't forget to leave a space between. And then if you wanted to have it this way, so you know the difference in children's ages and sizes, the variation here is they're beside each other here and not over each other. If you wanted to make it a little less wide, there. And then fold it over. Yeah. Since we found that was too long, we can do it here, because that will still work. And then another time. And then there. And then they can both fit into the same drawer space, because each one might know whose is whose because of the design.